are going to see about the abdomen. This is the abdomen which extends from this costal margins from zipisternum, laterally costal margin till the inguinal ligament, which is extending from anterior superior iliac spine to the pubic tubercle. Now this marking is important, which is umbilicus. Umbilical cord is attached to this in the fetal life. Now this is called as watershed line. Why this is called as watershed line? Because lymphatic drainage and venous drainage above this line goes to upper side, and below this line lymphatic drainage and venous drainage it goes lower down. When you look at the abdomen and compare this with the thoracic cavity, you will see thorax is broad from external side as compared to abdomen. But once we open up the abdomen, you will see large cavity of abdomen which is beneath these lower lips. So cavity of abdomen is much larger as compared to the cavity of thorax because of the diaphragm, which is convex towards thoracic cavity, and large cavity is covered by these lower ribs. Now for descriptive purpose, abdomen is divided into 9 quadrants by 4 lines. So 2 lines which are passing from the midclavicle, which are vertical lines, are 2 midclavicular lines. 2 horizontal lines, one is transpyloric line. This transpyloric line passes through the pylorus, and it also passes through the fundus of gallbladder. It passes through the hilum of the kidney, and this posteriorly transpyloric line corresponds with the L1 vertebra. Some books refer subcostal plane to divide abdomen into 9 quadrants, but standard books and most commonly used line is transpyloric line. Subcostal line is a line which goes between this lower margin of costal ribs, lower margin, and this subcostal plane corresponds posteriorly with the L3 vertebra. So now forget about subcostal line, we are talking about transpyloric line, which is going behind or corresponding with the L1 vertebra. Another line which is called as transtubercular line, and this transtubercular line posteriorly corresponds with the L5 vertebra, and this line passes through the tubercles of iliac crest. So these are the 2 lines and 2 vertical lines. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 quadrants. So this quadrant is called as epigastric region. These 2 are hypochondriac region. This is left hypochondriac, this is right hypochondriac. This region is called as umbilical region. This region corresponds with the lumbar vertebra. So these are called as left lumbar and right lumbar. This is pubic region or hypogastric region. On this side is left iliac region and right iliac region. So iliac, hypogastric, this is umbilical, lumbar, epigastric and hypochondriac. These are the 9 quadrants which we describe to define site of pain, location of organs. That's all about abdomen.